Welcome to the Crypto Nest. It's been a while. I didn't do any video on Mara or Marathon Holding. So here we are. Yeah, when I was saying not sure this stock is really going for the third wave because I wasn't even sure if this wave 2 was finished. We shall see. Let's not forget, Mara is doing a diagonal. We can see an A, B, C. Now this is a kind of a sloppy, not very well defined anyway for me. I'm just trying to figure out, is there a way more bullish to count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can have also 5 wave up. I honestly, we shall see. But if I count this still as a wave 1, but then I can see 5 wave down also, I would go more for the A B, and a C, but sure. And this could be just the A, this is the B, and perhaps now we're going to go lower. So we have so much room left to go lower. Unfortunately, we are breaking out from this uptrend line. We're breaking down. Let me rephrase. And so the fortunate thing is, like, I can also add a fib retracement here. Let's double check if it works. I mean, this is worst case scenario. Best case scenario, it's a 5-way up, so I can increase a little bit more, but it doesn't change much, like 110 and 102, 8 cents. So good enough. The only thing, if this is an allegedly wave A, I'm not even sure this B wave is finished. And it could be just that this is the A, we're doing the B and going higher for the C. Maybe get rejected at this very long-term downtrend line in red, and after that going there. If I'm more bullish, well, this is a crazy movement. It's very messy, honestly. I can count maybe this as an A, a B, and a C. As you can see, I did count it as a wave A in red. And this is like super messy. And I was saying, what was I saying? That could be, honestly, this is A, B, C. But now, is this just the A? Because now we're going lower. No, it looks like. So maybe this was the A. This is the B. I'm not even sure it were finished. And perhaps now we're going to go down. So because we already bust the 1-to-1 ratio, next target it's going to be $8.47, and after that $6.65 for the 1.618 fib extension. This is I calculate this A wave to the end of this B wave. Now, what else can I say here? I think this was the fib retracement, yeah, of all this movement. And here I was calculating even the top here, right? So this possible wave 2 can materialize if price, well, ideally it would stop or react to the 0.618, $7.72. And I know that's a big loss. And we were all expecting great I don't know, price action, new all-time high for this stock. As you can see, it just flattened out on the side, and when you zoom out, honestly, you could say, this is just the A, these are doing the B, and now we're going lower. So can you imagine Marathon at $2.41, which would be the ideal retracement for a wave 2? And all this would be just a huge wave 1, and price going between 441 and 102. It's crazy, right? I mean, yeah, this is crypto, this is stocks, and At least, you know, some people don't like Fibonacci and this is, it's insane, it will never go to $1. Yeah, well, we shall see. And I mean, it's $10 now. If in 6 months we start a bear market, well, I believe we can even go lower than that. And if we're making a super cycle, I still do believe that, you know, very possible that we go to $2.41 or $4.41, and after that we jump. And perhaps, no, marathon, maybe it was not done yet to outperform, and I don't know, maybe something else is going to happen, and price is going to really start to skyrocket. Maybe with the Declarity Act next year, hopefully early next year is going to pass. And here in Canada, honestly, I didn't hear anything about stable coins. And for the first time yesterday, I heard the government that is going to make some regulation about stable coins here in Canada. So, you know, I don't know, maybe this is going to finally start this trend and really put it on a map, stable coins that is going to massively introduce or inject crazy amount of money, and then really start to make skyrocket many stocks that didn't perform this year. Hot and mining, yes, it did way better than marathon, but also never made a higher high. Alright, so this is pretty much all I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.